Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstainer. 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 Abstainer is a noun used to describe a person who abstains from doing something, often for moral, ethical, or health reasons. It specifically refers to someone who refrains from indulging in certain behaviors or substances. Here are some examples. Example number 1. John is an abstainer when it comes to alcohol. He has never had a drink in his life. Why abstainer is used in example number 1. In this example, abstainer describes John's choice to abstain from alcohol consumption. Example number 2. She's been a lifelong abstainer from smoking, even when her friends took up the habit. Why abstainer is used in example number 2. Abstainer is used to describe her decision not to smoke, despite peer influence. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.